What's up, guys? Welcome back. So today I bought a product to delete some of that drone that I'm getting from my exhaust at the low RPM ranges in my car. So basically, if I drive with my wife or my daughter, I could be able to hear them or maybe think, which I don't really care about. But I'm gonna show you this product right here. There you go. Aeroturbine AR30 model. So this is a resonator. I actually bought two of them. So this is going to be going on the back of my car where the tips are. So they will be welded to the end because I bought two. These things, well, when my guys saw that I bought these, he said they were too big, so I already bought them, so I didn't really care. They're going on. But yeah, these are the bigger ones. I don't know if y'all can see this clearly, but 3-inch inlet outlet. The body is 6 inches in diameter total, and it's about, I believe, 14 to 16 inches long. So I've read reviews on this, and people have been saying that it works. It got a lot of got rid of a lot of the drone in the car. Usually, most of the reviews are from people who use trucks, 4x4s, diesel trucks. This is stuff that they will buy for their truck. Me, I saw it look nice, and I know that this will also clear up some of the raspiness of my exhaust because it's just a straight pipe. So, you know, it's kind of that uncut throat, raw power, but this will make it a little bit more of a deep tone and also quiet down the inside of my car, the cabin. So it looks nice. Can't wait to get this on. And this happened to come today, right before the video. This is my internal wastegate bracket. If I get this open. Internal wastegate bracket from Cobb. So, yeah. This bracket, 40 bucks. You know, this stuff gets expensive and it's only, it's not even that much material on that. That was 40 bucks. This was 80. I got it right off Amazon. You could get it at eBay and all that. I just got Amazon because their delivery service was on point all the time. So this is gonna be the end of my video. So this is the Aeroturbine resonator. All right. End of my video for today. I'm gonna try to keep up with the unboxing new products that I get for my car, because I know I've been slacking on that lately. But if you like this video, subscribe, like, comment, share it. Don't forget to follow us on WrenchHeadsTuning on Instagram and Facebook. And as usual, Wrench Daily.